guys. I love you so much.
Sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna
This is not
go,
the
then
last
I'll be
okay?
so lonely. If you leaving, baby,
Congratulations, Alex. Tuloy pa rin ang laban mo sa The Voice Kids. At syempre kay Joshua, Jasmine, great job on that performance. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Coach Pablo, pwede mo nang kunin si Joshua or si Jasmine. Kasi sa inyo kung sino mo gustong i-backstage din.
Pero alam mo ba, akala ko kasi iba bibigyan. Pero I was planning to steal Alex. Pero mukhang may plano ata si Stel para kay Alex. So, medyo mag-iintay na lang muna kami. Sorry akin.
Wala. Okay. Ibig sabihin, we have one group left before we officially